Dear higher self, I apologize for missing our mark every single time I made a video talking about our pain. I heard myself say that I would slap our mother. And the truth is, I really want to. But I respect you so much that I wouldn't even dare. But why? Why do I love her more than she loves us? And why did she choose to protect him instead of protecting us? And why when it comes to our pain, the family will rather watch? And why when it comes to our pain, they pretend as if it's just something that we could just get over just that quickly and just that easily? Did she really think it was okay for me to get touched because she did too? Disgusting. But you know what? I'm going to love you so hard that I'll take our bond with God deeper just so I can end up where you are. And even though I tried, thank you for teaching me that forgiveness doesn't always mean reconciliation. I desire your peace and your healing. And although I know that healing isn't a race, trust me, I'm coming. Thank you.